Hello and welcome to Cryptobible. My name's Oliver Tompkins, and in today's episode, I found some very interesting articles that are all about what cryptos to invest in March 2022. Very interesting stuff I want to share with you. I want to have a chat, I want to have that conversation. So at any point, if you want to put something in the comments, let me know. Before we get into these articles, we're going to jump into the market and see what's happening. And actually, at the end, I should say this, we're going to look at an article I found that said why Ethereum might be reaching $10,000 very soon. Before we get stuck in, throw me an early like, get yourself subscribed to Cryptobible, and turn on your notification bell icon so you never miss any of our upcoming episodes. First things first, a deep dive into the market. Okay, here we go. I'm on CoinMarketCap. Top trending coins, Solana at number 1, Harmony and Bitcoin number 3. Biggest gainers, Shibatron, Obrock token, and Trodl are the biggest gainers. Shibatron, nearly 2,000% there. Okay, let's have a look at the top 10, the big boys. We've got Bitcoin down 1.5%, pretty much trading at $38,000, 391. Ethereum down 4.3%, trading at $2,636. Red. XRP nearly down 3%. Cardano 0.4. Terra had a little bit of a rip over the weekend, didn't it? But it looks like it's 2.6% down, trading at $75. And 5% Polkadot. We got anything else? Litecoin nearly 3%, and so forth. Right. Okay. Let's get into the first article to see what best cryptos we can invest in March 2022. Okay, I found this on analyticsinsight.net, and these are the top 10 cryptos with best growth potential in March, they think. So the crypto market is booming with the drastic transformation in the financial sector across the world. Crypto investors in March are looking for the best cryptocurrencies to drive profits into their wallets. Now, there are multiple new and emerging cryptos besides, Bitcoin, ETH, and many others. These cryptos hold the potential to drive growth in March to yield gain from smart investments. The current market cap is $1.71 trillion with a volume of $113 billion. Let's look at the top 10 cryptos with potential their best in March 2022. Now, this is interesting, obviously, because of the Ukraine-Russia situation as well. So, first one they've got here. Oh, almost showed you the second one. I'll try and build some suspense, shall I? Right. It says Bitcoin number 1. Okay. Something we would have thought. Oh, I wouldn't have thought of that. Yeah, obviously we would have thought Bitcoin. Okay. So they're saying it's one of the top 10. Potential to show the best growth in March. It's reached $38,000 at the end of Feb and is predicted to hit beyond $40,000 in March. It successfully reached $60,000 in 2021. Thus, it's beneficial for payment transactions in multiple organizations across different industries. Okay. Ethereum. Okay, Ethereum too. So we got a bit of an idea. It's a bit of a pattern here. The top 2 cryptos by market cap are the top 2 to buy in their list for March. All right, then we've got Ethereum. We know about that. Again, it's going on about Ethereum 2.0, a seamless service, hopefully lower gas fees. Okay, Tether and USD coin. These are stable coins. So for anyone new to crypto, these are cryptos you'd buy with no volatility. So they're kind of like pegged 1-to-1 to the dollar. So they're saying Tether and USD coin. There's another pick. Cardano is a pick here. They said that it's a tough competitor to Ethereum. Crypto investors are interested to invest in this cryptocurrency with the potential at its best level. It's leveraging advanced technologies to offer them utmost security to dApps, decentralized apps and systems. So Cardano pick. Solana and Avalanche here are their other picks. All blockchains here. So blockchain technology, Solana and Avalanche. Solana is fast, secure, censorship-resistant blockchain infrastructure with a Solana-based decentralized exchange known as HydroSwap. It will perform more high-speed transactions without losing any decentralization. So Solana has been up and down, and again, it's big in the NFT space. So if you're someone that loves NFTs, it could be a bit cheaper if you don't want to pay massive gas fees like you can when you buy ETH on NFTs. You'll have to let me know if you're into the NFTs or if you're bullish on Solana. Let me know in the comments below. We can have that conversation. Avalanche. Oh, okay. Let's just do a little bit on that before we go on to the next one, because if you've been watching this channel, the LuckyBlock has popped up a few times, and it's about a lottery application. We'll talk about that in a moment. So AVAX is showing great potential. It's known as layer 1 blockchain, as tough competitor Ethereum. It's offer high transactions up to 6,500 per second for crypto investors. Again, you'll have to let me know if you're bullish on AVAX. Some of the experts that I chat to every now and again, make sure you subscribe to the channel, because every now and again you have an Oliver and Expert show where I chat to experts, and I always like to ask them just straight to their face, listen, tell us what cryptos are good. Tell us, obviously not financial advice in any way, shape or form, but just having that conversation of what do you think will do well as a talking topic? What cryptos do you think might perform well? And AVAX is sometimes one they say. LuckyBlock. Now, we heard that before. It's a lottery thing. So if you own LuckyBlock, you get paid back in lottery tickets for, their lottery giveaway. So it's come up a few times. So here it goes. It's focused on transforming the global lottery sector with blockchain technology and smart contracts. It will benefit crypto investors who are lottery players as well to operate in a free and anti-fraud ecosystem. Then we've got a little bit of metaverse here. We've got Decentraland. They're making a play on that. So it's saying virtual plots as well as the current price is $2.62 with a market cap of $4.78 billion. Again, Decentraland and Mana and Sand, basically. Sandbox and Decentraland are the top two metaverse plays. When I speak to other crypto investors, experts out there, they're the top two that always talk. And you probably know, if you're in crypto right now, they always get spoken about the most. Does that mean they're the best buy? Who knows? Do your own research. And then Terra, we've seen this the weekend. If you've been watching the on Saturday, it had a little bit of a rip, didn't it? It started going up quite high. We've just seen it's gone down a little bit from checking the CoinMarketCap, but again, it's one of the most profitable currencies for cryptos investors in March. It's an open source and public blockchain protocol to provide a decentralized economy and open participation in the new financial sector. So which coins are you bullish on from that article? I want to get on to the next one because there's another three could be good picks in March. Not financial advice, but let's talk about it. Let's have a look. Here we go. This one is from Crypto Ticker. 3 altcoins to buy in March 2022. What they think. So let's have a look. Okay, Cardano at number 3. Ada Gang. Are you out there, Ada Gang? Let me know what's going on. I need to speak to someone who's bullish from Cardano, because some might argue it's a bargain buy at the moment. At the price it is, under $1. Are we going to see those highs again? So he's saying it's a good pick. It's a delegated proof of stake blockchain that supports smart contracts similar to ETH. The marketing of this project propagates a scientific approach. The development under Charles Hoskinson is rather slow. Multiple deadlines already pushed forward. With the launch of the staking mainnet in mid-2020 and the Alonso update, Cardano was finally able to accomplish an important milestone. In the last few weeks, I've spoken about the new development at Cardano. In January, Cardano addresses exploded. Furthermore, the Basho update is in progress with the new development stage of the network and should increase the scalability of Cardano. Cardano suffered high losses in the last weeks of the major market correction. Given the massive potential of Cardano, the ADA token is probably one of the cryptos that are extremely undervalued at the moment and have the chance for big profits in March. Well, we can only find out. Current price 88 cents, and wow, that is a visual sight of ADA there to the US dollar. Right, next one, Terra. Okay, so we just heard about that in the article before. It's one of the hottest picks in the market. Many investors are interested in investing in it. Founded by Du Quan and Daniel Shin, it's existed over 3 years. It's an essential project that leverages decentralized finance to create a platform for rendering financial services. Protocol creates stablecoins, usually pegged to currencies. For instance, many ecosystems create stablecoins pegged to the dollar to assure asset stability. This makes it easy for users to access financial services, such as saving, lending, or borrowing money. Previously, it was the only traditional financial system that encompassed financial services. However, things have changed, helping crypto and digital assets enthusiasts to enjoy decentralized services. Most recently, the Lunar LFG Foundation Guard funded a sum of $1 billion to further develop the integration of the stablecoins Terra USD into the Terra ecosystem. UST is the fourth largest stablecoin after Tether, USDC, USDC Coin, and Binance USD. With the integration of the UST, Terra's Lunar token will continue to strengthen. Positive price development could continue in March. So we've got a current price of $75.5 there. And look, there you go. They put a little green arrow there because that's what they think is going to happen from their chart. But we definitely saw a little bit of a rise on Saturday of this weekend. Where's it going to go next? I don't know. Are you bullish on Terra? Let me know in the comments. And AVAX, Avalanche, their number one pick. Okay, so it ended the crypto as a haven that houses smart contracts as far back as 2020. After its creation, it allowed developers to create decentralized applications and custom blockchains. Among other things, its developers, Ava Labs, created the smart contract platform to use a proof-of-stake protocol. In the last few years, the platform has provided a massive rival to Ethereum. A big advantage is the enormous speed of the blockchain, which can process up to 4,500 transactions per second. It's got enormous growth potential, especially in the area of NFTs. It's now possible for Pinnacle developers to publish NFT collections on Avalanche. In addition, the DeFi area is also growing strongly. Price of AVAX could rise again massively in March. Current price $79.6. Here's a graph. Okay. So, conclusion. Looking for those undervalued projects that are about to boom is always a good plan. Many projects solve vital real-life problems, and those are the ones that are worth investing in. This is the top 3 altcoins to buy in March 22. It's a simple pick from the recent falls, but there are definitely many projects that can increase in valuation. Invest responsibly and always do your own research. Bam! So what do you think? Are you bullish on any of those coins? I'd love to know any coins we spoke about in today's articles. Let me know in the comments below. If you've stayed with me this far, well, that I applaud you. Thanks very much. That's a weird noise. Right, last article. Why Ethereum could go to $10,000. Let's get to it. Here we go. Ethereum. Top 3 reasons why Ethereum could soon reach $10,000. So, 1, is the world calming down? The world has been in crisis mode for recent months. Pandemic flared up again this winter and a new variant was discovered. Then, obviously, the Ukraine war. The times when crypto market was crisis-proof and even benefited from it are over. Cryptos and Ethereum prices are increasingly following tech stocks. If the crisis calm down over the next few months, crypto market could recover and reach new highs. The Ethereum price could be one of the fastest growing prices since the adoption of the blockchain as increasingly significantly in recent months, despite price losses. Ethereum price is showing bullish signs, number 2. So it's showing an interesting pattern in the last few weeks, which could indicate that a strong bull market is imminent in the medium term. A triangle formation appears to be forming with one angle pointing up. Such a formation suggests a coming bull run. There is the graph. The breakdown to the upside could be as large as the maximum distance between the 2 trend lines we can measure from the breakout point. ETH price could soon break over $10,000. We'll have to find out. Number 3, blockchain adoption to help Ethereum price up. So 2021, 3 big hype topics: DeFi, NFTs, and the metaverse. We're still in the early stages of these issues. Mainstream adoption of blockchain has yet to come. This could be the case as early as the next few months. NFTs are also becoming more well known in the mainstream and prices are constantly increasing. At the same time, DeFi financial products seem to grow massively on a global scale, especially in developing countries. Metaverse experienced its first hype in autumn 2021. Now it could really expand in 2022. These developments are still being overshadowed by the current crisis, but could soon receive more attention again. Ethereum is at the forefront of DeFi and NFTs in particular. The Ethereum price could grow in the next few months and could attack $10,000. So there you go, guys and girls. $10,000. What do you think? that article seems pretty bullish on Ethereum and what they think is going to happen. Have we said about any picks, cryptos that you might invest in over March, or ones that you've thought of you haven't invested in, or maybe you've invested in them already? Remember, none of this is financial research, but I think it's very interesting to read these articles to see what other people are saying, just so we can have a chat about it. Make sure you put anything you think in the comments section below. Let me know what coins you're bullish on or what you're looking at to invest in, or maybe you want us to do a video about something that you'd be interested in. Let us know. Why not? As always, throw me a like, get yourself subscribed to the Crypto Bible, and turn on your notification bell icon. Should make that kind of noise, so you never miss any of our news articles or Oliver and experts updates. We chat to so many cool people that always have very interesting things to say regards with the crypto market. All that is left for me to say, thanks for joining me for today's episode, and I'll see you on the next one.